Good morning everybody and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, you're so very welcome. I'm doing an advent calendar episode every single morning from the 1st till the 25th of December, and if you've been here from the beginning, you're so sick of hearing about that. From the 1st till the 25th, every single morning at 9 AM. And usually we talk about Christmas, different aspects of Christmas, my boyfriend pops in every now and then, but today is the last day in England. I am flying home to Norway, and all the episodes from here on out, they're going to be in Norway. If you haven't seen the other episodes and you want to see them, there will be a card in the corner for the playlist if you do want to see that, and also at the end there'll be a link to the last episode if you want to see this first and then go back. Okay, so today I don't really have a plan. I've been trying to pack my bag, so like I said yesterday, I tried to test pack my bag to make sure that I didn't have more weight than I'm allowed or didn't have enough space. I've been doing that on and off, but obviously this needs to come in the suitcase and this is quite big, so I haven't been able to properly do it. So after I've filmed this video, this is all coming down, my whole setup is gonna go, so I'm not 100% sure still if everything is going in the suitcase. I've spent so much time doing that, and also I also feel like I'm obviously a bit on the mend now. I'm not as ill as I was, but my god, I've never felt in such bad shape in my entire life. You know when you haven't been to the gym for a while, or you haven't really been active for a long time, say it's you sat on your bum all the way through winter and then all of a sudden summer comes along and you walk outside and you're like I didn't think I was in such bad shape until I tried to pack my suitcase. And it wasn't even like the strenuous part, it was getting clothes out of the wardrobe, checking out how many outfits I could make with what I've had, and then put it in the suitcase, and I was done. I was on the side of the bed just hanging off it whilst Hugo was playing Xbox and just looking at me like, maybe you should just give up. So I'm really not looking forward to the travel. So the travel for me includes, let's get the tea going. The travel for me is a car journey from here to the park and ride, which takes about half an hour, 40 minutes. Then it's a 2-hour coach journey that takes me to Gatwick Airport, right? Then it's about an hour and a half's flight, an hour 40, depending on tailwinds and whatever. And then it's another train journey that is about 40 to 45 minutes. And then I don't know what the last leg of the journey is going to be. If it's going to be a taxi journey or if anyone's coming to pick me up, I don't know. But that's a lot of links. And I was just thinking about it now that I was packing. I'm not going to make it. Okay, so it's the 13th today. Wonderberry green. That's looking very Christmassy. Wonderberry green. I've never seen this one before. A deliciously sensual organic blend of luscious berries, spices, and whole leaf green tea. Wow, this smells like berries. Where did the thing go? Green tea, peppermint leaf, ginger root, licorice root, echinacea leaf, and beetroot, rosehip, elderberry, orange, acerola fruit. Wow, there's lots of things in this one. Oh, that smells so good. Wow. Do you know what's more annoying than a lingering cough? Nothing. 30. You won't believe this. In the beginning, I didn't get a single one of these, and now I've had 7 of these in a row. Can you tell that I put a toner in my hair so it's not so, the roots aren't so yellow anymore? Can I get some people's opinion, please? Because I am not a natural blonde. Yes, I know. The shock. I went blonde about 3-4 years ago, and it was only going to be like a summer thing. I spent a lot of money doing it, which was why I kind of decided not to go back. Because every time I went to the hairdresser, I spent about £160 to get it first round of blonde. And it wasn't as blonde as it is now. It was more like loads of highlights. And then it's gradually kind of just become what it is now. I was spending 130, 140-ish pounds every time I went to the hairdresser, so I just stopped doing it. And I was going to see if I could continue doing it myself which I've kind of managed to do. Obviously, I'm not getting that beautiful, gradual, like, blend into the roots that they did. Now it's just kind of roots, and the roots that I do bleach kind of become a bit yellow, and then I have to keep doing, like, toners and things. It works. It's not terrible. It's not terrible, but it's a lot of work. So my question to you, dear fellows, should I go back to my natural colour, or should I just stay blonde? Because I do really enjoy the blonde. I think it really suits me, and everyone that's kind of in my friend circle right now have never seen me with dark hair, except for Hugo. Obviously, he met me with dark hair. But I'll put some pictures up. So this is what I look like with dark hair. This is your all-natural Martine. And then obviously you see me in every single episode with blonde hair. What do you think? Should I go back, or should I stay? Should I stay or should I go? See if this tea is ready. Oh my god, it smells so good. No, I'm serious though, I need people's opinion, because I kind of really want to go back, because A, I know my hair will be healthier. And it used to grow so much longer as well. I mean, it's quite healthy now, because I take care of it like you would not believe. Like, literally, I treat it like royalty. But obviously, it'd be easier to keep my hair. But I've been really wanting to go back, because I feel like that's, you know, the true me. But then I do my hair, I make it curly, and I get that nice white, frosty white colour, and it's just, it's really pretty, you know? So I don't know. No, still too hot. Right, let's do 13 whilst we're waiting. Oh, I can't believe how empty this house is looking now. Right, so this is the box today. And it says, in 2017, Jane Austen replaced Charles Darwin on the British £10 note. More than 200 years since her death, the writer's work is still universally loved. Pride and Prejudice is something that I will always be able to watch. So not the new one, the original one with Colin Firth in it. There is just no man in the world that can outdo Colin Firth as Mr. Darcy. Hugo kind of reminded me of Mr. Darcy. I think that's why we've ended up together. Oh. Is this going to be number 2 of something we've already had? Yes, it is. So this is the Strawberry Clearly Glossing Conditioner. So the other day we had the shampoo. So now comes number 2. Wow, it's so strong. Proper strawberry, but the artificial strawberry smell. Wow. It smells nicer than it tastes. But I think that could be fixed again with some sugar. 'Tis the season to have sugar. Okay guys, so that is it for today's episode, and for all the episodes filmed in this room. You will never see this setup again unless you go back and watch the episodes again, which you can do if you like. This is the end of the England Advent calendar journey, and the next time you see me, I will either be in my grandparents' apartment in Drummond or in my mother's house. God knows what's going to happen. I feel like we plan things for when I go home, and then... Oh, by the way, did you know that this is happening now? Is like the staple line. So I don't plan anything anymore. I just go with the flow, because no matter what I plan, it's going to be a case of, oh, we thought that this was better. Okay then. So you're either going to see me in my grandparents' apartment in Drummond, or you're going to see me in my mother's and her husband Michael's house. There will be a puppy there. So guys, have a really, really lovely day, and I can't wait to see you again tomorrow, bright and early at 9 AM. Goodbye!